Welcome to the great snowpocalypse of 2026 here in beautiful Oklahoma. So right now it's 11 degrees, wind chill in the negatives, and it is cold. It is cold. And what I learned today is I don't have any boots for snow, but I have everything else. So I decided to come out here and you and I are going to see how well this remote controlled mower with snow blade does plowing snow. So this is an SD Lanch SDLLM 500. That's a SD Lanch lawnmower 500, and it has a snow blade. So this blade is controlled by an actuator back here, and it goes up and down. It has this rubber edge on the bottom, which is actually a really thick, strong rubber edge, almost like plastic. And we're not going to use the mower today, but it has actuators here that move the deck up and down. So the way this works, you turn the mower on, you hold the button down, and you turn the controller on. And this is your controller. And so it's electric battery operated to move forward and back and right and left. And that's pretty awesome. You can push this up, and now your blades are spinning. But there's more. So when the blades are spinning, there's a belt that turns this alternator, and this alternator charges the batteries. And under this cover, here's your batteries. This is all your electronics. So I don't have to worry about having to charge it as long as the gasoline engine's running. I am curious to know how well this will do because we've had some sleet this afternoon, so it's not just powdery snow. There's some frozen sleety stuff on top. So let's bring it over, let's try it on my driveway and see how this thing does. So it seems like it got a little cold, but it didn't want to start. So you just pull the cord, done. So I'm gonna take this, you push this one forward, see that blade come down? Now we're ready to plow. Wow. When I push it off. There's my starting point. Drop that blade back down. I'm impressed. Holy cow. So now my question is, how far away can I plow with it? Let's put the blade back down. Wow. Without an angle blade on it, it's gonna leave piles beside. So, I don't know. This seems like it might be cool to sit in your truck and mow the driveway. Snow plow the driveway while you're sitting in where it's warm. That's pretty wicked. Say what you want. Okay. So I have a neighbor who posted on our neighborhood Facebook group that they're 81 years old and they can't shovel their driveway and they want to know if somebody could help. So let's go over there. You and I are going to go over there with a little remote controlled mower and let's plow her driveway for her. It'll be awesome. Help somebody out, have fun with my toy. Why not? I think my mustache is frozen. It's so cold. But this thing works awesome. Like, I'm actually really impressed with it. If it had an angle blade, it would be so much better, but that's kind of a beast. I'm gonna clean up the edge. It works pretty darn well. This thing is so cool. So you can run this thing just on battery, which is a lot nicer for videoing because you can probably hear me better. But burn up that battery pretty quick, I think. So I've just been running the mower engine, the gas engine, and then I don't have to worry about the battery dying on me out here. But I would imagine even if the battery died, I'd probably still be able to pull the pull start on that engine. I don't know how well you can see this, but let me give you a quick tour. So you got it pushed off to the side, and it's I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not like a metal blade, but that looks pretty good. I don't know. I would say that I am frozen and it's way too cold out here, but this made it fun, so I didn't even notice. Okay, I'm gonna take it on home. Oh my word, is it ever cold out here. Holy cow. Man, I am impressed with this. This is awesome. This is a great little mower. Not gonna lie. That is one of the coolest purchases I've ever made. Oh, wait, I'm still outside. Why the heck am I getting undressed? Hold on. Let me share something with you. So right now, look, 10 degrees, feels like -6. -6? Oh, it's all frozen. My beard and mustache are frozen. I think that's snot froze. You know what? Come on inside. Let's turn the heat on and see how much fuel's left after doing that driveway. Well, first off, the heater I'm about to kick it on is awesome. But did you see the bird fly in? No joke. There's a bird. Did you guys see that? I gotta let the bird out. You know what? The bird will like the warm. I'll let him out later. There we go. Oh, there we go. Diesel heater for the win. Oh my word. So let's go take a look at the fuel now that we get the heat on. It's not gonna warm up quick, but at least it'll warm up now. Okay. Can't see. Oh my word. I came at the perfect time. It's empty. Okay. So I just learned something new. that much that much plowing with this means you need to bring a gas can. So for sure, if you're gonna go out with this thing, wear your thermal bibs, sit in your truck, stay in your house, use it, it's amazing, but bring some fuel with you, because that's all I had. I'm so impressed I didn't run out on the way because it's empty. So what if we hooked a trailer up to it or something and stuck it? You know what, the best thing to do on a cold day, if you're gonna go do some plowing, just take your truck, or maybe take a track dumper or a mini skid. You're still in the cold, bring your truck, sit in the heat, have fuel with you. When it runs out, just go top it off, jump back in your warm truck. That's my recommendation. So I did buy this at an auction. I see them sell for a few grand on Facebook Marketplace, but this one I picked up for a $1,150 plus auction fees, and it is so worth it. We're supposed to get another 6 to 12 inches of snow tonight, so tomorrow maybe we can play again. So thanks for sticking around. If you want to see more cool toys, like and subscribe. I'm yelling because this diesel heater is loud. And get you some thermal bibs, because that's what you need out here in the cold. Thanks for coming out, and we'll see you in the next one.